This guy's wearing eyeglasses, but I'm going for his eye sockets and his cheekbone. He's wearing this suit. He looks very professorial, old school academia. This is more the direction of his hair. I do really like his beard. Do what I always do with ink wash, and then with a new material, you just can go in such a different direction. Because I was thinking, some of you guys have probably seen that Twilight Zone video that I did, where I was drawing Twilight Zone, and I was drawing with the bamboo pen. And that's more, to me, the more typical ink wash effect. But this is really fun. Like, I'm loving this. Okay, let's give him his mouth back. Do you see the face? There's a face in here, I promise.